Jennifer Lopez looked sexier than ever when she rocked a massively plunging bodysuit for the cover of Rolling Stone. Jennifer Lopez, 52, always manages to look sexy no matter what she wears, but her outfit on the cover of Rolling Stone may just be her sexiest look to date. The Marry Me actress looked drop-dead gorgeous in a long-sleeve black Balmain Spring 2022 pantsuit with a plunging neckline and cutouts on her waist. J.Lo's one-piece featured a V-neckline that was so plunging, it ended all the way past her belly button. As if her outfit couldn't get any sexier, the jumpsuit had two massive cutouts on the side of her waist. Related gallery. Jennifer Lopez's hottest swimsuit photos, see her in bikinis and more. She accessorized her look with a pair of Giuseppe Zanotti black leather Betty sandals, a Tiffany & Company Elsa Peretti medium bone cuff, and a pair of Jennifer Fisher 3-teardrop lily hoops earrings. In another sexy photo from the shoot, J.Lo showed off her incredibly toned legs in a sexy nude Hervé Leger ensemble. She threw on a skin-tight bodysuit with a high neck and a corset bodice that put her toned abs and tiny waist on display. She opted out of wearing no pants with the one-piece and added a sheer cardigan on top. She topped her look off with sheer pointed-toe Jessica Rich pumps. In another outfit from the shoot, J.Lo rocked a skin-tight pearly white jumpsuit with a halter neckline that had a gold medallion at the neck. The bodice of the one-piece featured a keyhole cutout at the chest and a thick, royal blue leather belt cinched in her tiny waist. The bottom half of the jumpsuit featured skinny leggings and she topped her look off with clear PVC mule pumps.